Achoo! Why do we sneeze like tiny tornadoes? Let's follow Max and his sneeze squad to uncover the secret. And maybe save a tissue or two.
I'm Sam. I'm your body's emergency exit for unwanted invaders. Think of me as a superhero vacuum, blasting dust, germs, and pollen out of here.
Your nose is like a detective. When it spots intruders, like pollen, dust, or pepper, it sends a red alert to the brain. The brain yells, "Fire the missiles." But really, it's just a sneeze.
Here's how the magic happens. Your lungs blast air up your throat. Your nose goes spraying and kaboom! Germs and dust fly out at 100 miles per hour.
That's faster than a roller coaster. But don't worry, it's just your body's way of saying, "Get out, gross stuff."
Common culprits? Pollen's a party crasher. Dust bunnies love mischief and bright sunlight. Yep, that's the photic sneeze. A sunny surprise. Most sneezes are harmless, but here's how to sneeze like a pro.
So next time you feel a sneeze coming, remember, it's your body's superhero moment. Cover that sneeze, wash your hands, and let's keep those dust bunnies on the run.